Guys, welcome back to JCN Options. This is General Child Ned Trading Channel. Um, First off, I would like to thank everybody for tuning in to the last previous videos. Guys, I just appreciate the support. Thanks for hitting that thumbs up. Thanks for hitting that subscribe button. Let's continue our road to 500 subscribers. That's coming very soon. Um, with that being said, I just want to show you guys some of my trades for earlier today on a demo account. I have been trading a couple of days on this account. Not doing too much though. I think on the previous video I left off around $3,000. As you guys can see, I've grown it to about 5,300, which is great. As you guys can see, these are my trades for today only. Um, $300 trades. It looks like I was at work once again while I was doing this. I won two, lost two, won four, or won three. So what's that? That's about one, two, three, four, five, six, seven. So 5 out of 7 trades, which is great. Um, but this is in response to a couple of comments I got. People hitting me up and things like that, asking me what's the settings, what's my strategy, and things like that. Guys, we're going to be getting to that, but I have yet to perfect this strategy. Of course, 5 out of 7 trades are awesome and things like that, but I just want you guys to stay focused and continue to tune in because I do got some great things coming, and I'm trying to be as consistent as I can be on this channel. So, um, and the main question I want to answer and get it out the way right now is I'm gonna show you guys my real account right now, and there's not much in that real account, but I'm just gonna show you some of the guys, some of the trades that I've done today. I'm not gonna trade on a real account today because I'm continuing to grow it, and hopefully I'm gonna use the same strategy to grow my account, the real account, just like how I did this demo account. So on this demo account, what you see here right now, I started off with $100. I've uploaded a video, my last video, $100 to 3K. This is that same account. So I started my real account today with $75. Okay, so from $75, I got it to 88. I didn't want to overtrade or anything like that. So I've done a lot of trades today, but as you guys can see, I started out a little rusty. Lost a couple of trades, but look at those last one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. Those last 8 trades in a row. And I don't know if you guys remember my last previous video, but I wasn't trading the amount of the account of this video. I wasn't trading the full amount on the video, so I was just doing small trades. But if I was trading $88, each of these trades that I won, or $100 on each of these trades, I'll be up a couple grand right now. So, but using the exact same strategy that I was doing on the demo account. Um, that's what I was doing here. And guys, the strategy works. Okay. So my goal is to grow that real account from that $88 that you guys see now to, to the moon, basically. I don't have no limit uh, to where I want to grow that account. But for you guys that's asking the settings, the strategies, and things like that, I'm going to go over my strategy a little bit right now. I want to keep this video under 10 minutes, so I'm going to break down the strategy real quick. And just real quick only, I'm not giving away any settings yet, but basically on the right hand side, I'm looking for the trend, whether the the pair is going up or going down. I got a moving average, got a couple moving averages here. Um, and looking at my stochastic, looking at my Williams indicator, anything that shows uptrend, then on this side, there's a particular signal I wait for on this line chart. There's, I mean, there's more than 4 or 5 different confirmations that I'm able to do, confirm before I'm able to enter a trade. And so in this particular situation, I will only be looking for a buy. But there's a particular time I would enter for a buy. I won't just, okay, the market's going up right now, the pair is going up right now, enter for a buy, buy, buy. No. As you guys can see, I do either 5 second trades. I've been recently doing 10 second trades, or I do 15 second trades, or I do 30 second trades. That's it, depending on the day. I'm not gonna lie, depending on the day, depending on the time of day, that's why I start off with the demo account. I do a couple tests, see how much time I'm gonna be using, whether it's 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 15 seconds, or 30 seconds. And that's very important. But basically, um, I'm using tons of indicators. But once you guys being able to identify the trend on the right hand side, you guys can see, all right, this is an uptrend. While Williams is above my 46 or my 50, right there is still pointing up above the green. This is pointing my stochastic. My line's over in the overbought section. It's pointing towards the green. Then I just come over here. Okay, I'm waiting for a buy. There's two signals I'm waiting for over here. You can even see my white line over here, my white movement average. Once that cross up, that's an indication. Parabolics at the bottom pointing up, that's an indication for a buy. When this awesome oscillator points up, moves up, cross, that's an indication for a buy. And when my Osama oscillator points up, that's an indication for a buy. All right. So guys, once again, thanks for watching. Stay tuned. My next video I will be dropping. I will be trading, doing a couple of trades on a demo account. Then I will be trading live. I will be going live one day this week. And guys asking me how can you copy my trades and things like that. I will be trading live. So you guys will be able to join me and copy my trades then. I'm not giving away signals in Telegram or nothing like that. Thanks for watching.